So the deal's done. We have a beautiful Enfield Himalayan and ready to be on the road when the weather turns good. I'm still confused if I really want to keep the Honda or sell it. It's a great city bike. It can do highways. You gotta push it hard, but not the kind of trip I'm thinking of. I've taken care of the bike, so I literally love it. But again, onto the next episode, I'll probably make a decision of either to keep that bike or sell it off. Hello everyone. So yesterday we bought a new bike, a new Enfield Himalayan, and today we're going to prep my older bike. If I could, I would not sell the bike. The bike is washed and cleaned. Took some pictures. I'm planning to put it for sale, but I don't know. I was in two minds. In all this COVID-19 lockdowns, a neighbor calls from the building, and here's someone who wants to buy the bike. Like, okay. Guy comes in, has a look at the bike, and loves it. So we have a deal today. Bike. This was the first bike I had in Chicago. Since 2016, it's 5 years. I love it. It's steady. It's beautiful. It drives well. So I'm kind of still sad from the day I washed and cleaned and kept it there, but it's going in the hands of a good guy who's riding for the first time. He just loves it. It's the certificate of title, the name of the seller, and then I'm not emotional about this, but let's see how it goes. It's a great bike. It's in fantastic condition. I've taken care of it. And these things last you forever. So I don't know if I really should sell it, keep it, or should I sell it? Should I keep it, or should I sell it? He's pretty excited to have this bike. Let him have it because, I'm getting a new bike anyway, so it'll work out.
I don't know how much it's
What I did was I rolled it up, filled up the air.
Okay, sure.
All yours.
Okay.
You did all the paperwork.
Okay.
And thank you.
Okay, sounds good. Well, let's on the drive. Let you hold on to the cash.
It's a good idea.
Okay.
Let's say it's all good.
Exactly.
Everything's good. And then once it's nice and warm, this bike responds differently. Can I take it today with you?
Yeah. Well, Mohammed's going to. My understanding is that Mohammed's going to drive it to my place. I'm going to leave it in the garage, and then on a warmer day, maybe I'll practice a little bit. But I'm still
Make sure you
waiting
get the
on
insurance.
helmet and insurance.
So this bike is very different from what you ride.
Yeah.
It's a cruiser. Let's go back. Totally different bike. The first two gears are very powerful, and your clutch is short. This is all the way through, right? right? So you ride a very different bike.
Yeah.
Come sit behind me, I'll show you. Okay, so this one, this one's like old-fashioned. You know, you have the Vespa scooters. You know the Vespa scooters, the very old-fashioned gearbox, right?
Yeah.
So you gotta go short. You gotta let it go.
Yeah.
See, newer bike, you can do short.
Yeah.
You can let it go. Okay. So
Yeah.
I was struggling to ride it a little bit. I'm not used to it. All right. Okay.
you gotta let the whole clutch go. You see. But at the same time, you gotta speed up.
Yeah.
Right? So you have to go together. First go slow, turn it on, pat, go. Your idea was to see if the bike slow.
Yeah. Now the bike is okay.
Okay. I ride it every day.
Yeah. Well, if you feel comfortable riding it, I can follow you like behind you if you just want to go down Montrose.
Okay. Well,
Do you guys have a car?
Yeah, I have a car, so I can follow behind them.
If you want me, I can drop it off and you can drop it back.
Yeah, that could work too.
No, yeah, right here.
In the
Somewhere right here on the side, the mission.
Okay.
It'll go 55, 60. I've done 65 miles on this one too.
Yeah.
It'll go.
Yeah.
But the thing is, do you really want to push it, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's a city bike, right? Enjoy city and then you can occasionally go on highway, but you have to enough practice to go on highway. This bike sits in a warm garage, so I've never had trickle charge, but put it on trickle charge.
Yeah.
It's good, coming down good. Keep coming. You're good. I feel happy actually, it's okay. I'm glad now. Went to the right guy. Hit subscribe and join me on the next ride.